Hey guys, hi and welcome to the video. This video I want to talk about a very important thing. Essentially, AWS SDK for Python, Boto3 and Botocore, and AWS command line interface, AWS CLI, will no longer support Python 3.6 on May 30, 2022. Let me read and show you. So Python SDK, as you can see, I'm just gonna read this one with you. So hopefully if you guys are using 3.6 and lower, please upgrade your Python to the latest version. On May 30, 2022, the AWS SDK for Python, Boto and Boto3 core and AWS command line interface will no longer support Python 3.6. This will be the third recent series of runtime deprecation which started in 2021. The Python Software Foundation PSF has supported model of 5 years of support window for each language version. In 2022, we will start tracking this deprecation cycle for more closely, providing 6 months of continued compatibility after PSF end of support date for each language version. So this is important for us to know. Here are the essentially the version and their rough deprecation date. As you can see, 3.7 2023, 3.11 in 2028, 5 years, right? So I just wanted to make sure that you guys are aware about that. And if you are using essentially the older version of Python, please try to move to a newer version of Python as soon as possible. So yeah, migrate to Python 3.8 or later. So if you are currently on Python 3.6 and a runtime SDK, blah, 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 we recommend you downloading 3.8 or later. So please make sure that you upgrade your Python version on Lambdas or any stuff that you're using Boto3 there, right? So I just wanted to bring this to you. I hope you are aware about this. I'll leave the actual source in the description section. So this is the official blog, which is published on 22nd February 2022 and is published by Nate, whatever, Privet. All right, so this is the official article on AWS website. So kindly take a look at that, okay? Thank you so much for watching.